Excel status bar is a vital component when it comes to analyze various datasets. In this tutorial, you will learn how to hide the status bar and show it again by using keyboard shortcuts and VBA macros. Let's get started. So, here is a spreadsheet, and at the very bottom of the application, this is called a status bar. Now, to hide the status bar, go to the Developer tab and click on Visual Basic. This will open the Visual Basic window. You can also open this window by using Alt F11 shortcut. Now press Ctrl G to open intermediate window within the Visual Basic editor. Now to hide the status bar, type Application.DisplayStatusBar equal false. Press enter to execute the VBA code. Close the Visual Basic editor and you will see the status bar is hidden. To show the status bar, press Alt F11 to open the Visual Basic window. The immediate window is already open as I have used it just now. You can just open it by pressing Ctrl G. Now type Application.DisplayStatusBar equal true. Press enter and the status bar will be visible again. Remember, you have to save your Excel file using a macro enabled extension which is .xlsm. Also, it's important to note that unlike the Ctrl Shift F1 shortcut, which hides both the ribbon and the status bar, this VBA method specially hides or unhides the status bar. Now, I will show you how you can hide or show status bar by using macros. Press Alt F11 key to open the Visual Basic window. Now, go to the Insert tab and select Module. Now copy and paste the VBA code given in the link in the description box. This VBA code is to hide the status bar. Now press enter and close the tab. Now go to the Developer tab and click on Macros. Here we have this macro hide status bar. Click on Run and the status bar is hidden. Now you can also create macro to show the status bar. For that, open the Visual Basic window by clicking Alter Function 11. We'll have to create another module for showing the status bar. Right click on this worksheet and from the drop down, click on Insert and Module. Now copy the code for showing the status bar given in the link in the description box and press enter. Close the window and now go to the macros. Now there's another macro named show status bar. Select the macro and select run. The status bar is showing again. So that was all the methods to show or hide the status bar. Hit a like and subscribe. Thank you.